In Salem at this noon hour, a just formed joint legislative committee to address the medical and economic crisis from the COVID-19 pandemic is meeting for the first time. Fox 12's Marilyn Deutsch is in Salem for us right now, and she joins us live from the state capitol. What's happening there today, Marilyn?
Well, the committee is made up of members of the House and the Senate, and they are the ones who are charged with pulling us through these uncertain and unprecedented times. They met both in person and virtually this morning. The problems they are trying to solve are immense. First, the medical concerns, public health. Currently, Oregon does not have enough testing kits to help stop the spread of the deadly virus, nor is there enough protective gear or respirators. And the experts don't think there are even enough hospital beds for all those who will get sick. Then, of course, the economy and how these legislators can help Oregonians pull through. Special concern, of course, for those who are losing their jobs. Food and housing assistance will be one major task, which may include rental and mortgage assistance. And these folks have to figure out how to keep the state running, how to preserve businesses and jobs, how to get unemployment benefits to folks, including those who are quarantined.
We are going to be looking eventually at the long-term economic impacts and actions that we can take to mitigate those impacts. But I think initially we have some urgency in trying to address some very immediate impacts that will enable people to stay safe during this pandemic and provide resources across the state to help achieve that.
The message from the governor and legislators: we are not in the middle of a crisis. We are just at the beginning of a crisis. And of course, more unemployment means less money coming into the state budget from income taxes. It is an alarming situation. Legislators here say at this point, need outweighs resources. And we won't understand the full scale of all this until we get the next revenue forecast, which is not until May 20th. Now, the Joint Coronavirus Committee will come up with recommendations. Then there will need to be a special session of the legislature to pass those legislations, those laws. Live in Salem, Marilyn Deutsch. Good day, Oregon.